Puso ko.
Yes. Yan guys, so good day mga idol. No? So today is a special day. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Estancia de Lorenzo. Yan. So na-invite po tayo ni Sir B-Boy sa book lunch po niya. Yan. So puntahan na po natin mga idol. So 5 PM po yung start and 4:40 na po. Yan. So punta tayo mga idol. Ang ganda pala dito sa Estancia de Lorenzo. Hindi. Dalawang beses na ako nakapunta rito. Pero ngayon lang tayo makakapasok dito. Yan guys. So ito na po yung ganda no? Book lunch. Yan. B-Boy, The Inspiring Story of Leandro, idol natin. MTVI, EDL Group of Companies, Bistro Manuel Bar. Alright, pasok na tayo guys. Ito yung mga panahon na siguro na ano, na nasa ano si Sir B-Boy, hotelier. Yan. Mga ka-business partner ni Sir B-Boy. Yan guys, so makikita nyo sa table, merong mga GMA, TV5, ABS-CBN. Hindi ko alam kung sa news papalabas. Na-excite ako, mga idol lang kinakabahan. Pero syempre nakaka-proud. Sir B-Boy yan, di ba? Living legend. Kaya yan. Makikita natin yung story ni Sir B-Boy. Inspiring story. Ano ako, speechless ako ngayon. Sobrang saya. Yan mga idol. Dito lumabas yung hiya ko. Nahihiya ako na na-excite eh. Grabe. Speechless talaga mga idol. Huh. Sa tagal-tagal ko na nagbablog. Hindi naman sa tagal-tagal ah. CR mo na pampabawas ng kaba. Yan mga idol. Kinakabahan talaga. Hindi guys, syempre. Yan, nandito yung story ni Sir B-Boy, di ba? Napakaraming nangyari, napakaraming na-inspired. Kahit sino, living legend, di ba? Mag-share ng story. So talagang marami tayong mapupulot na aral. Maraming tao na may inspired dun sa mga kwento ni Sir B-Boy. So sa mga susunod pang henerasyon, sa mga apo-apuhan, mananatili ang isang living legend na si Sir B-Boy Enriquez. Tinago mo talaga. Yan, so ito nga po pala yung book ni Sir B-Boy. So napakagandang story po ng living legend natin, and especially the personal pen para sa mga guest ni Sir B-Boy. And syempre, meron din po tayo niyan mga idol. Alright? Ano yan? Imported na bangus? Imported na bangus. Hilaw, sarap. Fresh yan. Tapos meron ng ano. Ito, ano to? Coffee. Black coffee. Black coffee. Black coffee ka lang, no? Black coffee lang sapat na.
Yes.
Yan. Ganda yun, no? Bistro Manuel. Yan. Yung mga ano.
Hindi ko talaga kaya. Tinitindig ako pala.
Hindi mo kaya? Sarap yan. Testing. Challenge. Challenge.
Tinry ko isang beses eh.
Yan. Yan. Ikaw ayaw mo nun?
And welcome to the profitable book launching of Mr. B-Boy Enriquez.
His journey, marked by challenges and triumphs, showcases the true essence of a champion. Just as he used to stand tall in adversity, he rose above life's trials with unwavering determination and a heart full of passion. But B-Boy's prowess was not confined to the cockpits alone. His entrepreneurial spirit led him to a successful career as a hotel leader. Not stopping there, the self-proclaimed ladies' man founded significant beauty pageants, providing a platform for individuals to showcase their talents and careers, enriching the nation's cultural fabric. All this while going through China abroad, solidifying his reputation as a champion cop leader cop fighter, not to mention promoting a successful journeys. B-Boy made his mark in the 1994 World Slasher Cup, the Olympics of cock fighting, emerging as champion of the big cock competition, and the rest is history. Own share of victories. The forum houses the following cock bloodlines: Callisto, Dan Gray Lacey Roundhair, McLean Hatch, Yellow-Legged Hatch, Super Sweater, Radio, and Dawn, or W, and is sought after for its credibility and sturdy breeds. Velasco, The Beagle, is published by Media Touchstone Ventures Incorporated, or MTVI. His publishing outfit that has produced several coffee table books, among which are biographies of the Ramos family, institutional books for the NWSS and REDEP, to name a few, and more. Titled B-Boy, the inspiring story of Leandro Diaz Enriquez, this coffee table book is a tribute to B-Boy, co-published by the EDL Group of Companies with its chairman, Dr. Eulalio Ayo D. Lorenzo, DVM, financing and co-publishing the book. B-Boy is a top endorser of the Excellence Poultry and Livestock Specialists Incorporated, whose manufactured products are top-notch in the industry. Incidentally, the Excellence is celebrating its 30th anniversary this year. It is among the more than 20 companies under the EDL Group. Quick snapper. I am privileged to write this book on the colorful and interesting life of B-Boy Enriquez and the game file industry, to capture his legacy and ensure that future generations will draw inspiration from his remarkable journey. From Doc Ayo, wala akong nakausap sa bungero ng makakalimutan ng hindi battle B-Boy. Swerte kami na nakikinig siya and boast. Yet ang personality B-Boy ay isang sa bungero. Yung kanyang pagtrato sa mga naglalaro sa kanyang family. Siya ay bagay sa bungero. He not only plays his sport, but made a big enterprise out of it that benefits others. A good role model indeed for an icon in the industry. He is a man of many successes, but it is his unwavering love for King Fan that endears him to all. B-Boy's story is a testament to the power of dedication, hard work, and integrity. We invite you to immerse in the pages of this tribute book that chronicles the life of Leandro B-Boy Diaz Enriquez, a story of passion, partnership, and the spirit of a true feathered champion for the ages.
Thank you very much. Pinataba ang puso ko. Ayan, naiiyak na talaga pag-lunch. Maraming salamat. Thank you for coming. So happy to see you all. Sorry, when you showed the video, I passed it on. The reaction was tremendous. There was a comment, oh, no, si Corey, I will go. And I don't know what to say, but I'm very thankful to Doc Ayo for doing this, lifting my personality and everything. Maybe I'll touch on something later on, but I'll just shorten it because I'll give you all one book, and it's all there anyway. Okay? Thank you very much for coming.
After the response from Honorary and the video presentation, it's time to sign ang mga libro ng ating living legend na si Sir B-Boy Enriquez, together with Mr. Melandro Velasco, the author and publisher, and also Doc Ayong Lorenzo, the CEO and chairman of EDL Group of Companies. And also, nandito rin ang mga TV5, GMA, ABS-CBN, and many more. Alright? The most important thing is the message para sa mga malapit sa puso ng ating idol B-Boy Enriquez. Last part of signing ng book ng ating idol, this is the last best thing of this event. It's party time!
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone. Making plans up as we go, where we dance when no one knows just how we want it. We want it. Going.
Thank you so much, Sir B-Boy, dahil naging part po kami ni Jurish ng isang masayang event, and especially kay Doc Ayong. Kung hindi kay Doc Ayong, mga idol, hindi po maisa sa katuparan lahat ng event, and especially the book. So he organized everything, mga idol, and thank you so much, Firebird Angels, and sobrang sayang event, mga idol, memorable, and especially yung libro, nakaka-inspired po talaga, mga idol. Yun lang, mga idol, sobrang thankful po ako sa inyong lahat. So maraming salamat po sa mga sumusuporta sa Firebird team, and especially YouTube channel natin. So yun lang, mga idol, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta. Like, comment, and subscribe, at kita-kits. So, alright!